How to get free internet from T-Mobile. Let's get started. T-Mobile does not typically offer completely free internet. They do have some options to help you save money. Firstly, check out T-Mobile Connect, their prepaid plan designed to be budget-friendly, starting at just $15 per month. Additionally, T-Mobile participates in government assistance programs like Lifeline, providing discounted services to eligible low-income individuals. Keep an eye out for promotional offers and deals, which occasionally include free or discounted internet service. If you are a part of an organization with partnership or employee discounts, you might be able to access special offers through those channels. Likewise, don't forget to check T-Mobile Tuesdays for any special promotions related to internet usage. Lastly, consider bundle packages that include internet service along with other T-Mobile offerings. While free internet might not be readily available, there are certainly ways to save on your internet bill with T-Mobile. Be sure to check their website or contact T-Mobile directly for latest deals and eligibility requirements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.